And here's the thing, right? You ask anybody in Bombay, dude, I want to be an actor, what do I do? Join the gym. That's it. By default answer is join the gym. Nowadays, gymming has become a big scene. Like you go there, the excited manager will walk up to you, will like, hello sir, welcome to True Fitness. If you take 1 year, 30,000 rupees membership of True Fitness, you free t-shirt, free cap, free socks, free shoes, free bag, veterinary nutrition and dietitian, everything. I'm like, that's it? No laptop? Because they're one ponytail away from making that place sound like IIPM. Right? Free this, MBA. But anyway, I joined the gym, right? I joined the gym and all the guys from Susodi go to the gym. It's like they finish the coffee and then they go to the gym. That's all they do. They drink coffee and they go to the gym. Right? And these guys, you must have seen them in your gym too. These guys are those really beefy guys. You know what I mean? The kind of guys whose biceps have biceps. Just ginormous dudes. Around the gym. Humongous, like... They never work out, right? They never work out. They come to lecture themselves in the mirror. Because everybody knows the mirror is the most overused equipment in the gym, right? These guys just walk in, look at the mirror, I feel so bad and the dude, ye hajmola, sab thik ho jayega. I'm not kidding, they have body parts you did not know existed. Like they'll be starting going, yeah. Like dude, ye kya hai? Pata nahi, aaj hi dekha. These guys are decked up. They're decked up from head to toe with every brand known to man. You know, Nike pants, Fila headband, Reebok wristband, this knee pad, and calorie calculator, and they put gel before they go to the gym. Like a date pe ja raha hai, what the fuck is happening exactly? Right? And these guys, right, they'll have those cool wireless headsets. So they go from one machine to the other, they're just dancing for some reason. You think they're listening to some really cool electronic music. It's only when you take it off you realize it's Billo Yardi, You know how you know if someone goes to the gym? They'll tell you. Over and over and over again. कि मैं gym जा रहा हूँ, इतना पैसा भरा है मैंने. And they'll casually slip it into conversation. Right? I'm really sorry, your mom expired. Yeah, her heart was really big. Now, you know what makes the heart good? If you go to the gym. I just joined a gym recently. They keep saying that. And then here's another thing about people who go to the gym. They follow this stupid diet. Like they'll sit with the nutrition and you should eat 5 eggs. They'll have that whole thing and then they'll go and pass it on to their friends. Right? All these guys who work out. Right? You know what you should do? I think you should have some protein. फिर वो प्रोटीन को ले उसके थोड़ा प्रोटीन डाल और फिर मिक्स करना प्रोटीन कर और फिर प्रोटीन डाल और फिर प्रोटीन ले आना फिर प्रोटीन आना फिर प्रोटीन बेसिकली प्रोटीन खा आपको डाल अपने अंदर प्रोटीन और प्रोटीन Nowadays gyms are very fancy, right? They're very fancy. I have a live DJ in my gym. Yeah, fuck, imagine. I have to put couple entry before I go. So list pe dalna yaar, please. You can do everything. It's a multi-purpose thing, right? There's live DJs, except I don't think I can do bench presses to Taylor Swift songs. I can't do the Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting for you when you're there. Fuck you, Taylor Swift. Either it's Taylor Swift or EDM mixes of Imran Hashmi songs. It's fucking annoying. You just do that, okay, be. No, please, can you play some normal music so I can work out? Here's the thing, right? Most of the gyms, because they're huge, they have a lot of trainers. As usual, most of the trainers are Maharashtrian. That's what Maharashtrians are good at, gym training and beating up North Indians. We love that. And every trainer, you guys have seen them in your gym, every trainer tries to act very cool. They change their names and all. I met this trainer in my gym, his name is AJ. Real name is Ajay Jawade. And he was doing a great job of hiding the fact that he's Maharashtrian till he started counting. Come sir, I'll help you count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'll tell you the level of disappointment. It's like dating a black man all your life and then he has a Chinese penis. That's the level of disappointment.
Dancing, they're dancing their asses off like aunties in their blouses, things going in places you didn't expect. You know, they're twerking in their sari, there's sanskari twerking going on there and it's just,